Tamarind rice is a unique, traditional and authentic rice-based recipe in Asia, particularly India. It is an easy and flavored South Indian style rice recipe that can also be served for lunch boxes and dinner meals. For masala powder, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, urad dal 1 teaspoon, cumin or jeera ½ teaspoon, chana dal 1 teaspoon, coriander seeds 1 teaspoon, methi or fenugreek 1/4 teaspoon, sesame 1 tablespoon, dried red chili 3. Method of preparation: masala powder preparation, mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin, chana dal, coriander seeds, methi, sesame and 3 dried red chilies are dry roasted in a pan until the spices turn aromatic. They are allowed to cool completely and blend to a fine powder. Two tablespoons ghee or oil is heated in the pan. And to it, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 2 tablespoon peanuts, 2 dried red chili and a pinch of hing are added. A few curry leaves, two to 4 split green chilies, finely chopped ginger are also added and slightly sauteed. Then 1½ cup tamarind extract. ½ teaspoon turmeric, salt and 1 teaspoon jaggery are added and mix well. The pan should be covered and the contents are allowed to boil for 10 minutes, stirring in between. It has to be cooked until the oil separates from tamarind extract. Then the pulihora masala powder has to be added to the cooked tamarind extract and mixed well until the paste turns aromatic. Finally, 4 cups of cooked rice and salt are added and gently mixed until the paste is well combined with the rice. Nutrition estimated: calories 620 kilocalories, carbs 96 grams, protein 12 grams, fat 20 grams, fiber 6 grams, potassium 495 micrograms, calcium 55 micrograms, iron 2.7 micrograms, vitamin A and C. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.